talking about the oil-free air compressors. The dry oil-free air compressors are the most advanced technology we are adopt. Look at this one. It's a 75 kilowatts, can generate 12.6 cubic meter per minute of FAD, which is the air output. This is a hand-built air end, two-stage. It is oil-cooled. Wind means that the air end outside, there's a housing for the oil, and the oil makes the heat exchange. So it can keep this inside the temperature within manageable level. And also there's a muffle to reduce the noise, so it will not be too noisy. At the back, come and see the back. We have also the two-stage radiator to drive all the heat outside the machine. So this is for the first stage and for the second stage. Complete set. Very nice finish. So you can DM me direct on TikTok or log to my blog at chinacompressor.com. Thank you.